Hey friends, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play I'm Yours on Guitar by Jason Mraz. This is an awesome song for intermediate players to practice open chords and some bar chords and a bit of a different strumming pattern as well. Now I'll start by showing you the chords in the song, so if you know these chords you can jump ahead to this time. Don't forget, if you like this lesson, to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Songs and lessons uploaded weekly. If you have any problems with the song, leave a comment and let me know how you go with this one. So let's make a start, let's get into the chords. Okay, so we're going to have our capo on the 2nd fret, so whenever I say open string that means the 2nd fret. So we're going to have an A chord, so open A string. We're up on the 4th fret here on the D, G and the B string and the open E string there, and that's our A chord there. We have a standard E chord, open E string again, 4th fret on the A and the D. We're going to have the 3rd fret on the G there, open B and E, and that's our E chord there. We're going to have an F sharp minor, so again 4th fret on the E string, 6th fret on the A and the D, and the 4th fret on the G, B and E, and that's our F sharp minor there. We're going to have a D over A, so we're going to play the open A string, the open D string. We're going to have the 4th fret on the G string, the 5th fret on the B string and the 4th fret on the E string, and it's going to be a D over A because now we've got that A note in the bass. We're going to have a C sharp minor 7 there. So this time we're coming up to the 6th fret on the A string. We're going to have the 8th fret on the D string, 6th fret on the G string. We're going to have the 7th fret there on the B string and the 6th fret on the E string, and that's going to be our G sharp minor 7. And our last chord is just a B7 there, so we're going to be playing the 4th fret on the A string, 6th fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G string, 6th fret on the B string and 4th on the E string there, and that's our B7. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern as well. Now this is a little bit different. We'll jump on our A chord to start. Now we're going to do a mute and then a down up. So when we're doing the mute, we're just hitting onto the strings first and then doing an up. Now we don't have to hit all the strings on the mute. Once you've done this a couple of times, it's not too hard. So it's mute, mute, down, mute, mute, down, mute, mute, down. So you can see on the up, it's more of a percussive sound, and the same with the down. When I'm doing the mutes, I use the first one as a down strum because that keeps me in time. So down, up on the mute, then down, up on the actual chord open. So mute, mute, down, mute, mute, down, mute, mute, down. And for one bar it does that 4 times. So let's do that slowly first. And up to speed. And that's our strumming pattern. We'll use that through most of the song. So let's get into it now. Now when we're playing this, we don't want to hit all the strings. When I'm doing my A chord, I'm just hitting the A, D and G string. When I'm doing the E chord, I'm just hitting the E, A and D string. Same with the F sharp minor, just the E, A and D. And then with our D over A, I'm hitting the A, D and G string. Now it doesn't matter if you hit a little bit more than that because it's not the whole chord he's playing. And we'll also have a look at the intro solo at the end. Now with this solo, it depends on how you count it. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's up to you. If you're doing it fast, we're doing each chord for 2 bars. If you're counting slowly, we're doing each chord for 1 bar. So we're going to start on our A, and let's say 1 bar there, so 4 times through our strumming pattern. then we're going to our E, same again, one bar. To our F sharp minor, same again, one bar. Then to our D over A, one bar again there. And that's our intro. We just play through that once. Let me play that up to speed for you. And that's our intro there. Then for our verse, we just do exactly the same thing, and we do that another 2 times. So the A again, E, F sharp minor, and D over A. And just do that another 2 times through for the verse. And then the chorus, we do it the same again. A, E, F sharp minor, D. And this time we just do it through one more time. So let's do that. This is our chorus, our first chorus. Our chorus. From there we just go back to the intro and we do it all the same again, just one more time, and it has the little solo over the top of it, which we'll cover at the end. Then we go back to the verse again. Now this is going to change a little bit. The second time I'm going to add this B7 at the end. So we've got our A, this is a second time through, A, E, F sharp minor. Now we're going to do the D over A as we did before. This time we're going to go mute, mute, down, up, mute, mute, down, up, mute, mute, down, up, mute, mute, down, and then jump to the B7, and we're going to hold that for a bar there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me just play the last little part of that going from the D to the B7 for you. So we're jumping in there on that B7 and that holds for a bar there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we just go back to the chorus and we do that exactly the same again, 2 times through this time. So our A, our chorus, we do that through 2 times. Now we have this little break, it's going to change a little bit here. Now we're only doing half bars or a count of 1, 2. So we're just doing our pattern through 2 times. So we have the A, coming up to our C sharp minor 7, coming back to our F sharp minor, another half bar, to our E, half a bar, to D, this time 2 bars, so 4 times through our pattern. So then from that D, which we've done 2 bars, we're going to jump to our B7 this time, but just do a mute, mute down, mute, mute down, down. And it holds there for that full bar. So from the D, repeat that all again. A, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor, E, D, back to the B7. So let me play that part through for you now so you can hear how that's going to sound. From there we go back to the verse again and we do that 2 more times, and it's got our little intro solo playing with that. And then our next chorus, we're just going to strum the A, hold for a bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The E, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor, hold for a bar again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the D over A, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just go back to our chorus again, which is the same chord progression. A for a bar, E for a bar, F sharp minor, and then D over A. And then we're going to finish on that B7 again. And we're going to jump in like we did in the verse. Let me play that through for you one time. Starting on our A, and this is the last chorus, which we do 2 times and finish on the B7. Our song there on the B7, and that's all the rhythm parts of the song. Just take your time getting that pattern right. It can be a little bit tricky when you first start. Then let's have a look at the little solos as well. So for our solo, we're going to start up in the 7th fret on the B and the E string. So we're going to bar it and we're going to slide up to the 9th fret, and then just come back and play the 7 on the B and the E. So first part slowly and up to speed. And then we do that again, the 7s slide up to 9s. And then we're going to come back to 7 on the B, 6 on the E. So that's second one. Then we're going to come to the G string, 6th fret, B string, 7th fret, and slide up 2 frets, so we're sliding up to 8 and 9. Then come back to the 4th fret on the B and the G, or the G and the B, and play that. So that next one. And then we just play the 4th fret again on the G and the B. And then play it again, but this time hammer onto the 5th fret on the B string. So. And then we do the first one again. 7 slide up to 9 on the B and the E. And then just come back to the 7s on the B and the E. And that's a solo, and that plays throughout the song. So let's do that up to speed now so you can hear how that's going to sound. So that's all the parts to the song there. That solo's pretty easy. Probably the hardest part is just getting that strumming pattern right. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Really helps me out. And I'll see you soon.